Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off music library albums on the iPhone 15 series. So you can see at the moment in my music library I do not have albums appear, so we're going to take a look at how you can turn it on. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the music app. Next in here, tap on library. Then tap on edit at the top, and in here tap on albums. So when you see a checkbox, then tap on done. This will allow you to turn on the music albums and make it reappear in your library. If you want to switch it off, just tap on edit in library and deselect albums, then tap on done, and that will remove the albums option or the item from the library. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.